With humble heart, I convey my regards to all tribes people, especially tribes people and other also, those who live in Northeast India, especially on this Mother's Day. As you know, Mother's Day has been celebrated since 1908, which started in Virginia in USA, and it has become an international Mother's Day today. Everybody has a mother. Even living beings other than human beings, they also have their mother. It is very imperative that we must love our mother, and we all love our mother. And the mother's love for their children cannot be measured. It cannot be spoken by words. We have no word to express how deep and how it is truthful. Now on this day, we remember, we come to know that many of our youths from Northeast India, especially Karbi-Anglong and the Mahasau and Boroland also, but it is true. Many of our youths, boys and girls, have left for other places in Chennai, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Bangalore, Maharashtra, Delhi, etc. places, because there is no sources of livelihood here in Northeast India for us. Because the venue for our livelihood is being taken away by people who come from other places. Those who are not tribal people, they have taken over. We do not get a job of a chokidar also here now. We do not get a job of a teacher also. As we know, 2 years ago, for example, 1,345 teachers were appointed in Karbi-Anglong. Out of them, only 59 were Karbis, and 2 were Kukis, and 1 was Rengma. And all the others were non-tribal people who came from outside Karbi-Anglong and outside the Mahasau. So our venue for livelihood has gone into the hands of others. That is the reason why our youths have been compelled and forced out to leave Karbi-Anglong, the Mahasau and Northeast India, including Assam. They have to leave Assam also. They have gone to other places in Northeast India, or they have gone to even to Middle East, Doha, Qatar, etc. Our population have decreased because of that. We say that we do not have our venue of livelihood here. But the people who come from outside, they all have their livelihood here. They have got all the sources of livelihood here. Now, our tribal boys and girls are prevented from loving their mother. They have to go away. Many of them have died. They are unable to come back. Even their dead bodies have not been able to be brought. This is the position now. The only way for us now is, if we love our mothers, if we love our parents, if we want to stay with them, we will have to cultivate our lands. We'll have to till our lands. A kind of education, rather ill-advised education, has been given to our youths that cultivation is the most backward job to do, most shameful. They have given that kind of impression in their minds, and so they do not want to work, they do not want to till their land. Now therefore, if we want to protect our land, if we want to protect our tribes, we must till our land and stay here, remain here. If we remain here only, we will be able to look after our mother and our father also, and our relatives, and our land, and our territory, and our race, our races, our tribes. Therefore, on this day, I want to take an example. What is happening to us now? Around 45,000 tribal youths from Karbi Anglong have left for other parts of India, Middle East, etc. They are unable to come back even to vote. So we have lost 45,000 votes this year. Who would have voted for us? Who would have voted for our candidates, whatever party they may belong? They have not been able to vote. They have not been able to vote means they have lost their democratic rights. They have not been able to exercise their democratic rights in their place of origin. Therefore, on this Mother's Day, I appeal to everyone to love and take care for their mother. Living in poverty-stricken, many of them are ill. Many of them have got no house. Among Karbis, 90% houses of the Karbis are bamboo and mud plastered huts. They are not house, but they are huts. H-U-T, huts. There is no house. They are too poor because they have been deprived of all opportunities of livelihood. And they have been given a wrong education, which is not education at all. That is that education which hates to work in the field, to till the land, making them think that tilling the land, cultivation, is a most shameful occupation, they think. This kind of wrong education have been imparted in Northeast India to the tribes people. We must fight back. Cultivation is the first thing of humanity to learn for progress. Now we must, if we want to stay with our parents, with our mother, then we must till our land and stay here. Don't go outside and become slaves there. They are not ashamed because we do not see them how in a poverty-stricken situation they are living. Many people, those who have gone from here, their wives have already married to others. their husband has married to others already, shameful. They are unable to come back to face the shameful situation at home. So I appeal to all people to love their mothers and their father and to stay with them and work with them here in their houses, in their homes, in their villages, and in their territory. With these few words, I thank everyone and I convey my hearty congratulations and joyfulness and gladness, happiness on this Mother's Day. Thank you.